So I love my imagination renovation focal wall. What do you think?
I love it. I love the detail in the tile. That actually matches the kitchen, doesn't it?
It sure does.
Yeah, pulls it all together.
Yep, absolutely. So all of the fresh colors. I love this color and the choices throughout, if I do say so myself. So how do you like the kitchen?
I love it. I love the tile.
Isn't the tile pretty?
It's so nice.
And I love the matching tile with the fireplace hearth.
Oh yeah.
Close that in a little bit.
Yeah.
And over here on Rocky River Drive, we got some nice granite and some nice new cabinets as well. But what I do love is the extra spot off the kitchen that you can convert into a pantry if you want.
Tiny office.
Tiny office. A lot of people are working from home these days. So, and then right downstairs from the kitchen, you've got the partial finished basement.
Yeah, that'd be a perfect family room.
Absolutely.
Guys' night, game night.
So I know you love the built-in.
Yeah, it's really cute. It adds just that little bit of touch of charm and character to the house that you don't see.
And I love the newer updated windows.
Yeah, and you have that upper tall window where it's private, but you'll have all the sunlight coming in here.
And then luxury vinyl throughout the whole first floor.
Yeah, great for kids, dogs, muddy footprints.
Or if you want an investment property, this one is definitely investor friendly.
Yes, easy cleanup, which is really important.
So if you're looking for your next home around the Rocky River area, Lakewood area, Camps Corner area, reach out to one of us and we would be